coach them, mentor them, guide them, and provide them the right process and tools so they can really focus about customer success. The one thing could be always better is about customer experience when they're interacting with the sales team.
Is the customer perception of your added value. The sales rep needs to create in the customer the perception that his visit is added value.
Right now is going to be one of the time where there's lots of company in difficulties, and they're all looking to attack to the same customer pool, and the demand is probably lower. So there is a customer size getting a lot more hits from or reach outs from different sales teams as well too, from different competitors as well. So in this aspect, one of the factors will be very important for about to winning the customer trust is about this factor. One is customer success and the experience they're getting when they're working with the sales team. So that's why helping the team as a head of sales to upskill them, coach them, mentor them, guide them, and provide them the right process and tools so they can really focus about customer success, because customer really looking to solve that problem, and how the existing solution can really solve that better compared to other one. Sometimes it's not better, but one thing could be always better is about customer experience when they're interacting with the sales team. So designing a great customer experience when through the engagement, which Pedro just mentioned, is about, which is very valuable. That when as a sales rep asking that, hey, let's do the next meeting next 2 weeks, are you available? That's creating a great experience. Saying this one, I'm here for you, and I want to walk it through, and I want to help you to solve your problem.
I want to compliment John, and sorry for interrupting you, because it's not just force the customer to have the next interaction. Is more than that, is the customer perception of your added value, which means despite the fact that the customer is going in the direction to close a specific business, the sales rep needs to create in the customer the perception that his visit is added value, that his pitch with the customer will bring value to the customer as a knowledge, as experience. Customer will accept to have the next sales interaction if he does not see that it's a waste of time to talk with you if you are the sales rep. Okay, so you need to keep in mind that every single interaction, yes, you need to be able to get the next interaction, but you need to bring something additional to the customer. Even if you are bringing something about the market, you don't need necessarily to be talking about exactly the opportunity that you are negotiating. But for instance, it's very valid if you are someone that understands the market where the customer is acting. If you bring new ideas, new approaches from his competition, all of these insights or some trends that you read somewhere that are relevant for the customer, all of these small things will bring you value, it will create value on your visit. And then the customer, yes, will willing to talk with you, because he will see value on that. Besides that, of course, you need to be someone empathic to the customer. You need to create, okay, the nice personal one-to-one experience, which is a different thing. Of course, you need to be a pleasant person to be with, but you need really to bring value. If you bring value to the customer, if you bring the perception of value, customer more easily will be interacting with you. I will be more keen to talk with you. And then you can also, in the middle of the discussion of these collateral things, then you can drive to what matters to you, that is close.
Thank you, Pedro, for adding more value into that one too.
Are you aiming to make your workforce more productive, effective? Then I have a great news for you. you can assess your workforce by using our scorecard to get insights on your workforce and also get different industry benchmark and also get our expert advices as well too. Check the description section of this video and you will find out a set of scorecards specializing for providing different kind of assessment for your workforce. There is another good news. There is no fees to using those scorecard. So go ahead and make the best use of them. And if you still need more help from us, there's another link there to book an appointment with us too. Click that link and book an appointment. We would love to have a conversation to help you achieve your workforce success.
Are you a business or HR leader? Then this is an excellent challenge for you. So don't forget to subscribe right now so you don't miss out the next valuable insights and tools and guidelines from us.